Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to adjust resolution to 70 to DPI in Canva. Open Canva and load your project. Navigate to the Resize option and select Custom Size. Switch the units to px. Enter 576 for the width and 720 for the height. Confirm by clicking Resize this design. After resizing, go to the Share button. Choose Download and select JPG as the file type. Adjust the size slider to 0.75. Finally, click Download. Your design will now be saved at 70 to DPI resolution, and that's it. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching.